In this video we'll see about the essential tips to maintain a vehicle during the lockdown. Tip 1: Keeping it clean and covered. Park your vehicle in a closed space like a garage, or else cover your vehicle to avoid dirt, moss, bird mess or even rust. Tip 2: It is wise to maintain a full tank during such times. If there is less fuel, then over time the air above the fuel would cause condensation, which is not good for your vehicles. In the long run, it could even cause rusting. Tip 3: Avoid engaging the parking brake when you leave the car idle for a long time, as it could get jammed. It's always better to leave the car in gear or parking mode if your car has that feature. For additional safety, you could also go old school and use wheel chocks, like using a big piece of wood or brick to keep the car from rolling. Tip 4: Disconnect your car or motorcycle battery if it is not in use for a long time. This will ensure that the battery does not get discharged while staying idle. You can also start the car once on every 3-4 days and let it idle for some time. This will also keep your battery from depleting. Also, run the air conditioner with the blower on while you are doing this so that any dust or foreign particles get thrown out. Tip 5: Make sure that your tires are properly inflated and are at the correct air pressure. When kept idle for a long time, the tires could lose air pressure and cracking of the sidewalls and flat spots may occur. Try to move the car forward and backwards to avoid flat spots. Now let's see motorcycle tips. If your two-wheeler has a center stand, it will be wise to make use of it when parking. It keeps the fluids in the vehicle at a balanced level and it's much safer as chances of the vehicle falling. Tip 2: Ensure that the chain, springs and cables are lubricated. Check if they need any lubrication at least once a week. Tip 3: The keeping it clean and covered tip applies to your motorcycle as well. This will help to protect paint and chrome parts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you all in the next video.